How to find support for TikTok. In order to find support for TikTok, you need to follow these steps. If you're able to access your TikTok account, then you can open the TikTok app on your device, and then you'll be taken to this page. Click the profile initials from the bottom right corner, click the menu bar from the top right, and go to settings and privacy from the list. Or else you could actually find this right on this section. So you want to go to the activity and support settings and privacy. Scroll down right to the bottom. There you could find support and about. You have these report of problems, support, terms and policies, all that stuff. You go ahead and select one of these options, and accordingly you'll be able to find support for TikTok. Now next, what you could also do is, if you're not able to access your account, you want to open up your browser, type in TikTok support on the web address bar, and hit the search bar. And there you go, you have these links. Click on the first link that appears, and this is how you could find support for TikTok. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.